Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery. One of the most traditional things you see at Christmas are red bow wreaths, red bow teardrops, red bow mailbox huggies. But one thing that you can also do is take it an extra step and on your red velvet add some with a gold trim or maybe the gold backing. So let me show you when you do this. It's still that same wonderful look, just with an added touch of glitter. Another thing that you can do is you can go around your Christmas wreath and add mesh. Mesh is a great way to add another little touch to your wreath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mesh. I'm going to have the open side away from me. This is your 21-inch mesh that is 10 yards. I'm going to fold it under here. And I'm just going to come to a place on my wreath, and I'm just going to use the greenery and tie it on. And then I'm going to keep the sides rolled under, and I'm just going to continue to go around my wreath with the mesh. And all I'm doing is helping the sides roll, keeping some bubbles. Try to keep them about the same size. The other great thing about mesh is that it holds up well in the weather. It will definitely at least last you through the Christmas season. So we're going to go all the way around. When we get to where they touch, I'm going to take one more poof, add it on, and then I'm just going to cut it off of the bolt and tuck this little piece down into the wreath. Now, so you get done and you go around and you say, whoa, what have I done? I've got these huge puffs on my wreath. Well, no problem. We can fix that very easily. All you're going to do is where you've tied the mesh on, you're just going to take it and push it down. So you're going to push it kind of through the back of your wreath. Okay? So that lets you see that automatically you have made your puffs come down and they're not as poofy. Some people love it poofy, some like it less poofy. So we're just going to have this sit down. Do that all the way around. You can determine whether you want your puffs bigger, whether you want to tuck them under and have them smaller. Again, that's a total personal preference. So these are just a few little tricks of what to do with the mesh to change it up and pick which style you like the best. Then where I started, I still want to tie that back down, but this is a good place to add my bow. So now I'm going to come back on. I'm going to add my bow at the top, tie it on, and at this point, once I've fluffed, I could be done. Or I can add ornaments or picks, red birds, anything I'd like to my wreath. You become the designer. Check out in Carolina Pottery and see all the wonderful things we have to add to your wreath. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.